Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Grade 2. So now we'll be reading chapter 7 that says Quarrel of the Colors. So what is the meaning of quarrel? What is the meaning of quarrel? Yes, to fight. Okay, so now the story is about a quarrel the colors once had. So let's read the story to know how each of them shows its importance in the world. So this story is about a quarrel, a fight between the colors, right? So before we start, we have the activity in which we need to color the beautiful picture. So you can all use different colors to color your picture. Okay, so now let's read the story. Once upon a time, the colors of the world started to quarrel. Each one said that it was the best, the most important, the most useful, and the most favorite. So they were fighting because each one of them thought that I am the most beautiful one, I am the most friendly, favorite of everybody, and I am the most important color of life. I'm the most useful, said green. So we need to highlight because we might have who said to whom. So the green color says that I'm the most useful. Look at the green grass and the green leaves. There is green everywhere. Look at the blue sky and the blue sea. Interrupted to speak in between. So the blue color interrupted in between by saying that, the sky is blue, the sea is blue. I'm the most important color. Yes. So till now, what do you feel? Blue is more important or green? Yes, both the colors are equally important. Hearing this, yellow chuckled. So what is the meaning of chuckled? Laughed quietly. So when yellow got to hear their conversation, yellow laughed quietly and said, "You are all so serious. I bring laughter and warmth into the world. Think of the bright yellow sun. I am everybody's favorite." So yellow says that you are so serious. Serious is dull. And I bring, warmth into the world. We have a yellow color smiley, right? The smiley is yellow in color. So it says that I bring laughter and warmth into the world. Even the sun that is huge, that gives you light, is yellow in color. So yellow says I am everybody's favorite. Now orange spoke next. I am the color of health and strength. I carry the most important vitamins in carrots, pumpkins, oranges, mangoes, and papayas. Now, orange says that, I am the best because I am the one that, I am the orange color that, carries vitamins that are really important for our health. And, it says that the carrot, the pumpkin, the oranges, they all have vitamins in it. Hearing this, red hot, impatient. You all know red is a color of anger. So the red got impatient. Impatient is like, when you cannot wait for your turn, you get angry. I rule over you all, he shouted. I am the color of blood. I am the color of love, danger, and of bravery. So red says that you all forget about yourself, excuse me. I am the color of blood. The color of blood is red. Heart, whenever we make a heart, we feel red in it. Anger, fire, they all are of red color. And bravery. Purple stood up tall and regal. Regal relating to royalty, something very royal and rich. Kings have always chosen to wear me, for I am the color of royalty and power, I said. So purple says that you don't know I am the color of, royalty and power. The kings, the cape which they wear is usually purple in color. Finally, Indigo spoke. Think of me. I'm the color of ink. You need me to write. And the colors went on boosting and their quarreling became louder and louder. Boosting is, when you say I'm the best, and you say that no one stands in front of you. So, as the time passed by, their quarrel got louder and louder, and both, everyone was talking about only their own importance, right? Suddenly there was a startling flash of flash of lightning. So startling is very surprising. Okay, so suddenly there was a flash of lightning, bijli kadki, thunder rolled and boomed. Rolled and boomed made loud sounds. So whenever we have thunder or we have storms, it makes hush buzz sound. So suddenly there was a flash of light and the thunder rolled and boomed. The rain drummed down. Drummed down is fell down while making a continuous sound. When it rains, at times it rains heavily. You've heard the sound, right? So it started raining, making sound, and it began to speak. You foolish colors. Don't you know that each of you is different for a special reason? So the rain says that you all are fool, you all are foolish. Don't you know that you all are special in your own way? Join hands with one another and come to me. The colors held hands and went to meet the rain. From now on, said Rain, whenever you see me, each of you will stretch across the sky in a great bow of colors as a reminder that we can all live without quarreling. So the rain says that in future, whenever you see, you will all collect, you will all join hands and you will all come to me, which will show that you are a symbol of unity and none of you will quarrel. None of you will boast up that I am the best and I am the best, right? The rainbow is a sign of hope and peace. See, whenever it rains and we have a bright shining star, we always hope for a rainbow, right? We all go outside in the balconies or we go on the terrace and we always have the hope that yes, we will be able to see a rainbow. So the rainbow says that I am a symbol of hope and peace. So, whenever a good rain washes the world and a rainbow appears in the sky, let us remember that we are all special and beautiful in our own way. So, that was the message the rainbow gave, that yes, you all are fool, you all are foolish, boasting about yourself. Think that you all are special in your own way. So, the rainbow said that whenever you see a rainbow in the sky or whenever you see the rain, you should always feel that you all are special. You have something special in you, right? So, yes, God has blessed us, blessed all of us with some or the other characteristic. So we should know about it, and we should not always think about ourselves, only talk about our qualities. We should accept others' qualities too, right? So next we have the exercise. We have an extract. Based on that we need to answer the questions. Look at the blue sky and the blue sea. Interrupted Blue. I am the most important color. Hearing this, Yellow chuckled. You are so serious. I bring laughter and warmth into the world. Think of the bright yellow sun. I am everybody's favorite. So, which color represents itself the most important color in this extract? It is the blue that says that I am the most important color. Next, which color brings laughter and warmth into the world? So, yellow says that I bring laughter and warmth into the world. And yes, it does. Next, we have the tick the correct option. Which is the color of health and strength? It is orange, right? Because orange, pumpkin, they all have vitamins in it. Who got impatient after listening to orange? So, after listening to orange, who got impatient? It was red who got impatient, and it said that, I am the color of love, I am the color of anger, I am the color of victory. Which is the color of royalty and power? So, which is the color of the cape that the kings wear? It is purple. Very good. Next, we have the matching. Purple is royal. Indigo, ink with which we write. Blue, sky and ocean. Green, plants. And as I said in the previous chapter, I told you that, the green color is due to the presence of the pigment chlorophyll, right? Yellow, it is the color of warmth and happiness. Orange, health, that is vitamins. And the red is the color of love, danger and bravery. This one. Next, we have the question answers. Which color carries the most important vitamins in carrots, pumpkins, oranges, mangoes, and papaya? So, which is that color? Orange is the color of health. How did the purple color look when he stood up to speak? So the purple color, stood up very gracefully and very elegantly and very proudly. It said that, I am the color of royalty, right? All the kings, the cape they wear is purple in color. So, the purple color was full of grace. What did the rain ask? What did rain ask the other colors to do? When it started raining and it started making sound, it said that you will all hold your hands and you will all come to me. How many colors joined hands to form the rainbow? So all the colors, they joined hands to form the rainbow, right? What should we remember when we see a rainbow? See, as a rainbow is a symbol of hope and peace. So whenever we see a rainbow, we should all feel that yes, there is something special in each one of us, and we should try to know that inherent quality and love that quality of us. But then on the other hand, we should respect and we should always accept the qualities others have in them, right? So that was all about the chapter. Hope you all loved reading the story. It was really nice. So these were the colors of nature, right? So you will all read the story once again. Go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.